The turbofan is a type of airbreathing jet engine that is widely used in aircraft propulsion. The word turbofan is a combination of turbine and fan, a gas turbine engine which achieves mechanical energy from combustion, and a ducted fan that uses the mechanical energy from the gas turbine to accelerate air rearwards. Whereas all the air taken in by a turbojet passes through the turbine through the combustion chamber. In a turbofan, some of that air bypasses the turbine. A turbofan thus can be thought of as a turbojet being used to drive a ducted fan, with both of these contributing to the thrust. Because the turbine has to additionally drive the fan, the turbine is larger and has larger pressure and temperature drops, and so the nozzles are smaller. This means that the exhaust velocity of the core is reduced. The fan also has lower exhaust velocity, giving much more thrust per unit energy.